This is for pisser.
Spray down.
Easiest way to get the bolts out. Make room. What are you doing with this?
New doors. He's got new fenders, doors, like.
He's actually put new fenders and doors and everything? What about the rocker panels?
Never getting changed.
New? Well, there's nothing wrong with the rockers. Huh? The rockers and cab corners are in good shape. Pack and pack. Oh, yay. Oh, we get a better look. There she is. Oh. Rust. Oh, yep, that's what you call it. Holy cow, look at this. This wheels is getting the treatment, man. Brand new gas tank, new sending unit. Look at that. Huh. I don't think I ever showed you the spray guns we use. This is a Sada KLC. I don't even know what kind of guns these are. That's how long it's been since I've been painting. I think this is a Sada primer gun. Don't look like he's used this for a while. This was my first Sada. Worked great. But I think, no wonder those looked old. Those are the primer guns. Holy jumping. NR85 HLVP. That's got to be the primer gun over there. I'm losing touch. I haven't been in here doing this for 3, 4, or 5 years now, so longer. What is this here? I know it's a soda. Can't see any numbers on it. Oh well. It's a spray gun. Oh, I'll try and keep track of this as he gets more done on it. I'll do some more videos. I'll try to. I think it's mostly part replacing anyhow, rockers and stuff. But we'll get back. What you doing? What's my puppy doing? Hey!
Gotta make a patch right here.
Yeah. How does that fit on there? You gonna weld that on then, or?
After I cut the old one.
Huh?
I gotta cut most of that old one off. Just cut it, you know.
Well, you cut the old one right out of there, right? Yeah. Okay. Well,
New inner fenders. Number shot.
looks like fun. You put new inner fenders on?
Yep.
With this turbo diesel. What year is this?
97.
A what?
97.
97. How many miles has he got on it? 200,000 miles? Gonna make her go another while again. Engine must be run good to do all this. Ooh, I don't like the looks of that. The upper frame.
Yeah. That's all flake.
Yeah, half of it. Wee.
So this gotta be cut out. You gotta cut this out. All this.
Mm. Well, have fun.